Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add or display YouTube channel feed or video in slider layout in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix page and we are going to display or add YouTube channel feed or video in slider layout. Now you see add element, so click on it and then you see multiple option. Now you see video and music, so hover on it. Again you see multiple option. Now you see Wix video, so hover on it and then you see design. Now you see slider layout, big slider, small slider. If you want you can use classic design. Now you see small slider, so drag and drop here, so you can add anywhere you want. Now adding Wix video, so after that we are going to connect or add YouTube channel feed to this slider. Now you see edit and then you see manage video, so click on it. So we are in video library dashboard and then you see channel, so click on it. So we have one default channel, so we are going to add new channel for YouTube channel feed or video. Now you see new channel and then you see YouTube feed, so click on it and then you see connect a YouTube feed to this channel, so you can add your YouTube channel URL. Now connecting and then you see this is our channel web task with Hassan and then click on connect. Now you see YouTube feed added, so this is our channel web task with Hassan. Now close. So now we are going to connect it here. Now you see settings, so click on it and then you see Wix video pop up. Now you see video, now select and then you see channel, so we select. So this is our channel. Now click on it, so we select. Now here we'll update. Now you see our YouTube channel feed in slider layout. Now you see layout. So we select small slider. If you want you can select big slider or grid. Now you see stretch to full width enable. You see more option. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now you see display. Now you see more option here. Player. Show video cover. Open action card. Play next video. If you want you can allow comments on uploaded video. Now you see videos. Now close and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page and then scroll down. Now you see YouTube channel feed or video in video slider layout. Now you see, so click on play. Now you see open in pop-up. So this is our expanded view. Now you see font size. Now back to page. Now click on setting and then you see design. Now you see text button player. So you can set color scheme according to requirement. Now you see font size, title, text. Now click on back button again. Now you see buttons. Now you see color scheme, icon only. Now you see player. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.